Risk appetite is firmly back on today, with buyers emerging across multiple asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for June 26th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is broadly flat at 24,056 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,657 level above and $23,455 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is little changed, hovering near 77,100 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is little changed, hovering near 58,177 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Japanese financial services giant SPI Holdings to buy Bitbank for $289 million. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,631 level above and $56,723 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Infosys dipped minus 1.30% to 1,042.90 Indian rupees. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. SBI is up plus 1.02%, trading at 1,045.20 Indian rupees. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.39. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that oil nears pre-war levels, but a top economist warns lower prices could mean higher inflation, Business Insider. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Infosys. Infosys dipped minus 1.30% to 1,042.90 Indian rupees. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.